Alright, so we are back for another sound test, guys, and we now have a highly requested sound test here in the channel. We have hybrid configurations around $100 to $200, and the more popular ones at that as well. You have the The Audio Legacy 3, one of the most versatile kits that you can get. You have the C Audio Yume as well, the reference in the $100 to $200 range. You have the Meteor, the one that I reviewed just recently, and also the Starsea as well. It was in our earphone awards last year. Of course, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. There's also some older IEMs here, so let me know how they stack up compared to the newer ones here in the channel. Of course, let me know down in the comments below, and let's start the sound test now.
Should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.